Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Tessie. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all, depending on where you are watching from. Hope you all are doing well, and thank you so much for stopping by. So, a federal high court sitting in Lagos has given the federal government of Nigeria, which is Tinubu's led government, 7 days ultimatum to fix the price of goods and petrol products that is causing Nigerians untold hardship. Now, before we continue with the news, I want to beg you all to please help me to like and share the video so that YouTube and Facebook can recommend it to more people. And the news here reads: breaking, court gives federal government 7 days to fix price of goods, petrol products. The Federal High Court sitting in Lagos on Wednesday ordered the federal government of Nigeria to fix the price of goods and petrol products within 7 days. Justice Ambrose Lewis Alagua specifically ordered the government to fix the price of milk, flour, salt, sugar, bicycles and their spare parts, matches, motorcycles and their spare parts, motor vehicles and their spare parts, as well as petroleum products including diesel, petrol motor spirit, PMS, and kerosene. The judge made the order while delivering judgment in suit FHC LCS 869/2023 filed by activist lawyer Mr. Femi Falana son against the Price Control Board PCB and the Attorney General of the Federation AGF. Falana had approached the court for the following: whether by virtue of Section 4 of the Price Control Act, the first defendant, PCB, is carrying out a duty to impose a price on any goods that are of the kind specified in the first schedule to the Price Control Act, a declaration that by virtue of Section 4 of the Price Control Cap, the defendant are under a legal obligation to fix the prices of bicycles and spare parts, flour, matches, milk, motorcycles and spare parts, motor vehicles and spare parts, salt, sugar and petroleum products including diesel, petrol motor spirit and kerosene. A declaration that the failure or refusal of the defendant to fix the prices of bicycle and spare parts, flour, matches, milk, motorcycles and spare parts, motor vehicles and spare parts, salt, sugar and petroleum products including diesel, petrol motor spirit and kerosene is illegal as it offends the provision of Section 4 of the Price Control Act, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, and order directing the defendant to fix the prices of bicycles and spare parts, flour, matches, milk, motorcycles and spare parts, motor vehicles and spare parts, salt, sugar and petroleum products including diesel, petrol motor spirit and kerosene not later than 7 days after the delivery of the judgment of this honorable court. At the hearing of the suit on Wednesday, Falana son informed the court that the motion on notice was premised on Section 4(1) of the Price Control Act 2004. He also told the court that the defendant had been served with the processes since it was filed in May 2023 but refused and failed to file any response or counter to it. He prayed the court to grant all the reliefs. Justice Lewis Alagua held all the reliefs contained in the motion paper are hereby granted as prayed. An affidavit in support of Falana's motion deposed by a lawyer in his chambers, Taiwo E. Olawale, averred that the Price Control Board was established by the Price Control Act and is saddled with the responsibility to fix a price on goods to stabilize the general price level, prevention of holding of goods, protection of customers from exorbitant prices, among others. The second defendant is the chief law officer of the country. Alright guys, and that is it for you all. Femi Falana dragging the federal government to court and getting a groundbreaking judgment. Now we have some interesting comments for you guys here, and I'm just going to read it out for you all. Someone here says, rubbish group, which power do you have to give federal government 7 days after you have sold your right for coins that you will not take to grave. Right. So some people are of the opinion that nothing good will come out of this judgment, knowing fully well how the system works over here. All right, let me take another comment for you guys. Someone here says, which court? The useless people, they're bought with dollar. Why not give order to bring the price of dollar down? Mad people. And someone here says, son with dubious view, you are one of the dubious characters that brought this evil upon Nigerians. Clueless government and its arms. Tinubu and court are now the biggest enemy of this country. Yaradua came to power and gave hope to ordinary Nigerian that court is the last hope. But Tinubu brought Buhari and Buhari brought Tinubu together and they destroyed that gains. What does this court expect? A miracle waiting government to do within 7 days? The man came to grab power and go to sleep without bringing anything to the table. To be honest, the question that I personally ask every day is, are these people human beings at all? Are they human? Because I don't understand how these people will sit, fold their arms and watch everything happening in this country without doing anything. It's not as if maybe they are not seeing it. In a country where the minimum wage is 30,000 naira, people cannot make a pot of soup with 3,000 to 5,000. It is difficult to make a pot of soup with that amount. Just in the space of 1 year that they took over power, everything has tripled. Everything has gone from bad to worst, and they are not doing anything at all. These people are living their best life from one country to another, and the poor masses who cannot afford all these luxuries are suffering badly, eating from hand to mouth, if they even have the hand to eat from. Someone here says you can deceive some people for some time, but you cannot deceive all the people all the time. Is the court in Nigeria beginning to feel the heat the common man is feeling now? The truth of the matter is that what is happening in Nigeria today is not only affecting the masses, even them, they are also feeling the heat. But for them to come down to admit it is a very big problem to them. Just look at, before we used to hear about this kidnapping thing in the northern part, in the rural part of the northern rural area. But right now, they are now in Abuja, in their doorstep, which they never thought it would be. Today, even them, they are hiding their head because nobody knows whose turn it will be tomorrow. But we said it before, they did not listen. Today, now, all of them, they are running a scatter. It is affecting everybody, and that is it for you all, my people. I saw the news and I decided to come share with you all. This is the judgment of a federal high court sitting in Lagos, giving the federal government of Nigeria 7 days ultimatum to fix the prices of goods and petroleum products in Nigeria. Hopefully something good will come out of this. And with all of that being said, I'm going to let you all share your thoughts with me on the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.